Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And as a guy, you know, we have to do shopping once in a while. And I like to do shopping, buying a lot of clothes.
错，该根本要搞大家 shopping 咯。
Shopping 哦，哎呀，对。So let's talk about some practical phrases that you would use if you were to go shopping and buy some clothes, okay? First of all, the most common place to go to, of course, is the department store.
百货公司。
百货公司 that's the department store. 买衣服。
买衫。
买衫 that means buying clothes. I go to a department store to buy clothes, and perhaps the size is wrong. So maybe I want to buy a larger size shirt. 我想买大件一点的话怎么说
You 卡太大的。
卡太大的。
给么？
给么？就是
大一点的。
That means a larger size, okay? Now what if I want a smaller size?
卡小大的给。
卡小大的给。就是小件一点。
小一点点。
Okay, that means a smaller size shirt. Okay. But, you know, of course, you want to try it on. You want to go to the fitting room. 要去试衣间里面要试穿嘛，对不对？所以一定要问嘛，我可以去试穿吗？
爱做的吃粽么？
吃粽么？要吃肉粽吗？我不要再吃肉粽，再胖下去了，不行。
吃粽就是试穿。
Oh, 吃粽 is 试穿。Okay, that means try it on. 吃粽。Okay, I thought it sounded like eating something. And finally, maybe I didn't like the color. 我想要换一个颜色，因为试穿完之后觉得，这个蓝色不好看，我要黑色的。
Okay.
换颜色，有别的颜色吗？
You 配粽食嘅么？
You 配粽食嘅麼？
錯。
食嘅邊個食嘅哦？
沒食嘅哦，是配粽食，就是別種顏色嗎？
哦，別種顏色就對了。That's a different color. Okay, let's review some of those terms. First of all, the department store, 百貨公司。
百貨公司。
百貨公司，買衣服。
買衫。
買衫 that means buying clothes. I want something larger, 大件一點。
卡太大的嘅。
卡太大的嘅 or I want something smaller in size.
卡小大的嘅。
卡小大的嘅 and I want to try it on. 我想要試穿。
愛做的吃粽麼？
愛做的吃粽麼？吃粽 that's try it on, fit it on. And finally, I want a different color. 有沒有別的顏色？
配粽色。
配粽色 Okay, so next time you go shopping at a department store or at any shop that sells clothes, you can use some practical Hakka right there. And that does it for today's lesson on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.